Hello, great minds here. Welcome once again to another exciting topic. Today we want to look at another aspect of our bash scripting. Today we want to look at file compression and archiving. File compression and archiving. And what are you looking at in this tutorial today? We'll be learning how about file compression and archiving techniques in Linux, understanding how to effectively manage and store files using compression tools, and it's essential for system administrators and cybersecurity professionals, particularly when dealing with large datasets or backup. So the first thing we want to look at is file compression tools, and we'll be looking at tar. What is tar? It means what? Tape archive. Tar means tape archive. The purpose of tar is to create and manipulate archive file and bundle multiple files.tar. Where do you want to send it to archive it to? Do you want to archive it into our document? This is document download. So if we want to rename it, we can do that. If we don't want, we can still do that. So when you press here now, what is a existing failure status. So to do that, we'll do what? Okay, to extract a file, we'll do minus s of v f. S here is to extract the file. The T is to actually view the content of the file. So we cannot view the content of the file when we have not extracted. So instead of T here, we'll put what? X, which means to extract. Why is it telling us failure? Let's do ls and see.